frames, etc. All right, let's begin with this one. I took them out of their package because it's 4 of them. Okay, so here's the first one, and I flattened it as much as I could. This one is called Flowers and Plants. Okay, and it's A2161, and the size is 30 by 40 centimeters, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love how colorful it is and all the colors. I just love the colors. And it says welcome, and it's got all types of flowers. I believe it has 24 colors. Okay, no ABs, but you know that you could add ABs easily, like around here on the white on the flower, or even just the words. And looking at it, let me bring it up so you can see it. Looking at it, see the petals? It looks like it has a lot of confetti there, especially in this one. But it's not bad. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's sticky, it's very clear, and it's beautiful. Okay, and it says welcome. This is actually a nice gift to gift to a friend. If they have like a craft room and they have groups in their house where people come to their house, and she could have this in her craft room, and it says welcome. Okay, so it comes with the usual, with a tray, the wax, and a pen, and some bags for the drills. And these are the drills. Now these are the older, I think the older type of drills. Not the older, not the drills, the bags. I mean the bags. But I believe, let's see, let's open this. Sorry about the noise. Yeah. Okay. So I was gonna take them out, but it's got a little bit of everything in here. Brown, pink, purples. Let's take out this one. It's like pretty orange and the pink. It's gonna be for the flowers. This is probably the pink looks like it's gonna be for the background. There's a lot of pink, a lot of orange. I said I wasn't gonna take it out, but I am. And this it's like a brown, like a light tan or brown. Some orange, some greens, some browns, some pretty blues, and that's for the flowers also. Brown, and this is black. Yep, these are 310s, and this is a pretty color. I like this. I always like this color. It's like a mauve, and this is like a mustard color. All right, so I guess all these colors are for the flowers. And you got purple. Alrighty, so let's move on to the next one, because like I said, it's a lot. All right, it's clear, it's beautiful. Oh, before I forget, okay, it's full round, and this one costs $6.07. $6.07, and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's move this over here, over there, and let's move this out of the way. Okay, the next one, guys, it's a little smaller. This one is called Kitten Puppy. It's gorgeous, isn't it? A little kitten. And actually, there's a fence. This is a fence. I don't know if you can see. Well, let me bring up the picture if you can see that. I don't know, it looks blurry. But it looks like the little kitten is either looking out, and he's thinking, I'm going to get out of here. Maybe he saw something that's very curious. Anyway, and it's got beautiful flowers. This one is FF399, and this is a 30 by 30 centimeters, and this one has 21 colors. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see. Super sticky. Okay. And let me bring it up so you can see how clear it is. There goes the kitten. It's called Kitten Puppy. There's no puppy in here. I don't see any puppy, but I don't know. Maybe that's what they mean by it's a little kitten and it's small like a puppy. I don't know. Anyway, so it comes with the tray, wax, and a pen also. And this, as you can see, this is what I meant. The bags. I think these are the newer ones, which people actually like. And this has 21 colors, beautiful colors, which I am not going to take them out, but. So you got greens, pinks, and blues, browns, Okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay. The next one is just, I think this one's just hilarious and adorable. This one is called Owl. Oh my gosh, guys, look how cute the owl is. Anyway, this one is B4417, and it's a 30 by 40 centimeters. Oh, and I forgot, the Kitten Puppy is $7.28, the one with the kitten. Okay, so this one's called Owl. It's also full round. They're all full round. This is a 30 by 40. This one has 22 colors. And this one is $6.07. But look at how adorable. Look at it's late, I guess, it's dark because you can see the blue sky, the moon, of course, is late, the moon, duh. And it must be cold because it's got a little scarf. It's got a little heart, and it's got a heart on its little hat and a little pom-pom. And look at those eyes, guys. Look at those big eyes and the little beak. Just completely adorable. Let me bring him up so you can see how clear he is. Look at those eyes. Oh my gosh. I think this is my favorite. Super sticky. Okay, and this one comes, like all of them, a boat or a tray, wax, and a pen, diamond pen. And these are the colors, and this comes in the different kind of bags also. Okay, let me bring it up so you can see the colors. It's got beige, yellow, pink, yellow, blues, orange, and red. A little bit of everything. Okay, and this is actually very clear also. And a lot of blocking on the sky. Okay, and the last one. This one is adorable. This one is for Christmas, and this one's called Cartoon Christmas Goblin. He's just adorable. He looks like a little Santa Claus. Look how long his his hat is, and then a big pom-pom, and look at the nose. I love the nose. The mustache and the beard and the snowing, and it looks out, and there goes a star, and there's a tree, and it looks like he went looking for a tree, a Christmas tree. Okay, this one is A2167. It's a 30 by 40 centimeters, and this one is also full round drill, and it's $6.07, and it's got 20 colors. Okay, see how sticky it is. This is perfect for Christmas. And look how clear. And it doesn't have, like we said, these little ones don't have ABs, but you could add ABs. I would add ABs maybe on the star, and maybe some on the tree. So absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and it comes with the tray, wax, and a pen. And these are the colors. Ooh, let's move that out of the way. These are the colors. And this is, I think these are the new bags also. It's got that pretty color that I like, that blue color. Pink, reds, lots of reds, of course, because of his outfit, right? The Santa outfit, the Santa Claus outfit. Okay. All right, and one more thing, guys. And this is my first time. I've never had this kind of pen. It comes in white or in pink. I think I ordered the white one. And this is called Replacement Clay, which means I think it's the wax they're referring to. 3-piece. It's popular diamond drawing point drill pen rotating out the clay or the wax. And this is $2.42. Okay, so let's open this baby up. I'm dying to try this actually. All right, how do you open this? Okay. I don't know if you're supposed to keep this, but I usually just throw that away, but I guess you can keep it. All right, let's see. And what's this here? I don't know if you're supposed to remove that. I have no idea. Okay. It's very waxy, that's for sure. Okay, the pen feels nice. It's very pretty. Feels comfortable, feels sturdy. And I believe it's good for round and square drills. Okay, I see rotating. So you're supposed to push this in? How does this work, guys? Okay. See I don't know if you can see, but when I did that, see the wax? The wax is coming out. Pretty cool. Ooh, I want to try this definitely. Can you push it back in once it comes out? I don't know. I guess you can. Should we try? Do I have any drills here? Actually, I do. Let's try. Okay, let's see. These are actually ABs. Perfect. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this pen. Oh, look at that, guys. It's hard to come off. Well, not hard, but it sticks. All right, well, not bad for $2.42. All right, that's about it, guys. So let me bring everything out. So the 4 beautiful paintings again, and the pen. So we've got the Christmas Goblin. Wait, make sure that I don't mix the drills. Then we've got the beautiful funny owl. Then we have the Kitten Puppy, which is just too cute. And of course, the beautiful flowers. So that's about it, guys. Oh, and let's not forget the pen. All right, so that's it. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.